Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tyquise Dion here with another video, and in this video I will be talking to you a bit about me and my product and what I stand for with my product and how my product line got started, what made me do it, and how I feel about it now. So I want to bring it to you guys to let you guys know that you know it's been a long time coming to actually get to this point to even talk to you about my line. Even though I've brought my line up before and I talk about it a lot, but I don't really just make sure I get down in the dirty and talk to you guys about how it started, how I launched, what made me launch, and what made me launch was I didn't even know what. All I know was I had different people coming to me about their skin, and they had issues with their skin that I will have issues with my skin, but it's not as bad as theirs turned out to be. And I worried about that because after a while, that's the first thing people see is your face. And if you're uncomfortable with your skin, it's hard to face reality. It's hard to face you're aging. It's hard to face you have enlarged pores. It's hard to face things that you see and you can't fix or you don't know how. And I took the knowledge that I've learned over the years from different brands and companies I've worked for, because I love so much helping people, especially with things that I know that I'm good at doing, like hair, makeup, skincare. It's like hair, skincare, makeup, because it's something that I'm good at and I love it. So I have a brand. It's called Madame Dion Cosmetics. Where I make natural organic products, plant-based products for sensitive skin. All right, now even if you're not product sensitive, you can use the product as well. Just the products are more natural. It doesn't have a lot of harsh chemicals. It doesn't have chemicals in it, period, to change your skin. Everything that my products do, they do it naturally using like turmeric. This is my turmeric bar, and I'm currently almost sold out, if not sold out. So if you go to the website and you see the turmeric and you see that I'm not sold out, go ahead and get it, because it's not going to be that long. Okay, and this is a turmeric bar. You can use it on face and body. I do have one that is $15 right now. The normal price of that is $20, but I'm really out of it, and I have to make more. So the normal price of that will be like $20 to get that bar. But right now, if you go to the website, I have it on there for like $15. But this one here is $20, my friend. Actually, this one here is a $40 bar because of, you know, the length and the width of it. But you know, so I just want to make sure everybody try it. Okay, everybody try it. I tend to forget to put my link in the description, but forgive me on that, because sometimes when I put my link on the description, like, well, sometimes when I don't do it, I'm glad that I didn't do it, because then I will be sold out of products and people will be like, why did you tell us to go on there and you were sold out? Like, I didn't know. Okay, so, and another that I love so much, if you guys been following me for years, like you're diehard Tyquise Dion fans and friends, you know I've struggled with eczema all my life. But now I, you know, have a solution for my eczema. So, you see me holding my hands up like this, only the OG will know what that means. You know, if you've seen my hand be worse, like black. Yeah, so I got this bar called Fully Loaded, strictly for eczema. It doesn't matter what kind of eczema you have. This bar here is really good. It's gentle but intense when it comes down with any kind of fungal to the skin. So anything that you may be dealing with, girl, I love to use this every day. But it gets your skin, it gets all that unnecessary bacteria out of your skin, oils that are clogging up the pores. It gets it out so that the skin can breathe properly, so that it can heal. Now that's Fully Loaded. Now I also have a charcoal bar I've shown many times, and the charcoal bar does the same thing, but using charcoal, active charcoal. Charcoal is like it's like dirt is magnetic to it. You know, dirt, it pulls, the charcoal pulls any kind of toxic you have in your skin. It pulls it out. You know, it's magnetic active charcoal. So yeah, you can check that out. You go to the website now after seeing this video. It's like, good for you, because you will catch it. I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy. Until we meet again, thank you so much for the support. If you guys like more videos like this, maybe I'll come back with more stories, because I have a ton of things in my head that I wanted to say in this video that I didn't get a chance to say. Go figure. But if you want to see more videos like this, I will bring them. See you. Bye.